Hello student, today we are going to discuss Charles' law. According to Charles' law, when pressure remaining constant, volume of a given mass of a dry gas increases or decreases by 1 upon 273 of its volume at 0 degree Celsius for each 1 degree Celsius increase or decrease in the temperature. Now let me explain this way. It was proved experimentally that at initial temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, volume of gas is 273 centimeter cube. Now, let increase temperature to 1 degree Celsius. Say Charles increased temperature to 1 degree Celsius. What he saw the volume of gas also increases. So when he increases 1 degree Celsius, the volume also becomes 274 centimeter cube. He increased 2 degrees Celsius and the volume become 275 centimeter cube. Now he wanted to study what happens when we decrease temperature. So he decreased the temperature to minus 1 degree Celsius. Volume also decreased 272 centimeter cube. He decreased the temperature to 2 degrees Celsius and the volume become 271 centimeter cube. So he said that volume is directly proportional to temperature. He keep on decreasing the temperature till the temperature reaches minus 273 degree Celsius. At this temperature, the volume of gas become 0 centimeter cube. He called this temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius absolute temperature. He said there is a theoretical temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius where the volume of gas becomes 0 and its motion ceases. Kinetic energy becomes 0 and the gas particles are seized with their motion. And he also called this absolute zero. Now this minus 273 degrees Celsius, this one is only theoretical temperature. Practically it is not possible because we know that the particles of gases are always at random rapid motion. Now this minus 273 degrees Celsius is considered as 0 Kelvin. So he started a new scale, that is Kelvin scale. And this 0 Kelvin is the base point of this Kelvin scale. Now what are the characteristics of Kelvin scale? It starts with minus 273 degrees Celsius as its 0. Now the relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale. The temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. For example, 100 degrees Celsius means 100 plus 273 is equal to 373 Kelvin. So that is why all the temperature on Kelvin scale are positive. They have positive values. Now let us come back to Charles' law. So Charles proved that volume is directly proportional to temperature. Now this temperature is absolute temperature. Or we can say V is equal to KT, where K is constant. Or you can say V upon T is equal to K. Now if we have a gas with initial volume V1 and temperature T1 and final volume V2 and temperature T2, according to Charles' law, V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Now let me do some numericals now related to Charles' law. First numerical, a gas occupies a volume of 100 cc at 27 degrees Celsius. Now find the temperature to which the gas must be heated to make its volume double, pressure remaining constant. In Charles' law, we keep pressure constant. So here V1 is equal to 100 centimeter cube and T1 is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. Remember students, you have to change this degree Celsius into Kelvin, because Charles' law is related to absolute temperature and absolute temperature is always Kelvin. So we have 27 plus 273, we have 300 Kelvin. Now V2, volume double. So V2 is 200 cc and we have to find out T2. According to Charles' law, V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2, or you can say T2 is equal to V2 T1 upon V1. Fill the values. 200 into 300 upon 100. So we cut this. So we have 600 Kelvin. Now the answer is right here, 600 Kelvin. But if you want to give answer in degrees Celsius, let me convert this into degrees Celsius. So 600 minus 273 is equal to 327 degrees Celsius. Next, a gas occupies a volume of 200 cc at temperature of 127 degrees Celsius. Now find the volume at minus 23 degrees Celsius, keeping the pressure constant. So first of all, we have V1 200 cc, T1 127 degrees Celsius, or you can say 127 plus 273 is equal to 400 Kelvin. V2 we have to find out, and we have T2 minus 23 degrees Celsius, or you can say minus 23 plus 273 Kelvin, or we can say this comes as 250 Kelvin. So V2 V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2, or you can say V2 is equal to V1 T2 upon T1. Fill the values. So 200 into 250 upon 400. Cut it. 125. So we have V2 125 centimeter cube. Next numerical. So next we have third numerical. At which temperature will the volume of a gas at 0 degrees Celsius double itself if pressure remain constant? So let V1 is equal to V. T1 0 degrees Celsius, that means 273 Kelvin. So V2 double itself. So let it be 2V, and we have to find out T2. So we have T2 is equal to V2 into T1 upon V1. Let me fill the values. 2V into 273 upon V. V is going to cut with this V, and we got 546 Kelvin. Or you can find out 546 minus 273. This will give you answer as degrees Celsius. That's all from Charles' law. Thank you, students.